Things are looking great. If I look at chemical shipments by railroads, the industrial economy continues to be extraordinarily robust. If I look at real-time data, out of, say, the FreightWave sonar data on what's happening with trucking, the economy continues to be very robust at the consumer side. E-commerce continues to grow.
And what's going on with the transports? What do you make of this? So we have 9 days is the worst streak since the financial crisis, 10 days the worst in 20 years.
Great question. FedEx warned about...
FedEx has been terrible. The airlines today...
Well, passenger airlines is a different story. But people who move freight, people who move goods, that's the predictive value of the Dow transports that predict the overall Dow. The airlines are...
They're not telling us that it's the leading edge of the economy. It's a different metric.
Yeah, it's a completely different thing. In fact, the Dow transport theory back-tested becomes even tighter R-squared if you take passenger airlines out.
Tighter correlation.
Should we take FedEx out at this point? Or
No. They're moving goods.
But is that a secular
But they were
story
telling
of
us globally what's happening, because FedEx is an indication of what's happening with e-commerce here, but it's really globally as well.
My point is FedEx and to some extent UPS, are these stocks struggling because of Amazon and changes in parcel delivery and overnight? Or if not, then they are telling us something quite cautious about the economy,
They're telling us that Europe is we've just discussed, on the verge of a recession. They're telling us that Shanghai air freight, oh, by the way, inbound is down 15 to 30%. That's a scary number.
It's not a U.S. story then. It's the international.
That's what's happening. That's what's weighing on the shares of a FedEx and XPO. I think is also a great opportunity because you're buying high-quality deliverers of e-commerce at a discounted rate.
Why is the Shanghai inbound freight down so much? Is it because the Chinese economy is slowing so much and they don't have demand?
No, it's because, look at an iPhone. It's, what, $350 worth of parts and pieces? You know, China runs a surplus with us, but they run a deficit with the rest of Asia. So what happens is the little transceiver, the processor, the lens, the glass, all comes in parts and pieces into Shanghai predominantly. Then it gets assembled, and then it comes out. So if I want to know what overall Chinese air freight is going to be, Chinese outbound is going to be, I just need to look back a couple of months at what the inbound is. And so when the inbound coming into Shanghai is down 15 to 30+%, I get very, very cautious.
So this is all